Mastering CAE. Top recommended textbooks and materials. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the C1 Advanced CAE exam, focusing on some top-notch recommended textbooks and materials. Ensuring you have the right resources can make a massive difference in your preparation. Let's get started. When it comes to CAE or any other English proficiency exam, the materials you choose can shape your learning experience. Good resources offer authentic practice exercises, help familiarize you with the exam format, provide insights and strategies to tackle different question types, enhance your overall language skills, not just exam-specific ones. When aiming for C1 Advanced, consider these top textbooks. 1. Complete Advanced. This comprehensive guide covers all the sections of the CAE. It provides ample practice and grammar reference. 2. Advanced Trainer. 6 full practice tests to simulate the actual CAE experience. It's brilliant for self-assessment. 3. Objective Advanced. This textbook is structured around various topics, enhancing your vocabulary while prepping you for the test. 4. Grammar and Vocabulary for Advanced. Beyond exam practice, mastering grammar and vocabulary is crucial. This book is your ally for that. In addition to textbooks, these materials can boost your preparation. 1. CAE Practice Tests. These are essential for getting used to the exam's format and time constraints. 2. Listening and Speaking Practice Sets. These resources offer specific practice in improving your listening and speaking skills, 2 areas that many find challenging. 3. Writing Workbooks. Enhance your writing skills and understand the do's and don'ts of CAE writing tasks. Remember, while these are recommendations, the best resource is one that suits your learning style. Always skim through and sample before settling on any textbook or material. That wraps up our guide on some of the best textbooks and materials for the CAE exam. Every journey begins with a single step, and choosing the right resources can set you on a path to success. Best of luck in your preparations, and remember to always stay curious and persistent in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.